So Arohan, is the meaning of LETC clear? Any more questions?
अरे यार मम्मी, आज मैं नहीं लगा रहा झाड़ू, रोज रोज मैं थोड़ी लगाऊंगा, आज भाई को बोलो झाड़ू लगाने के लिए। वैसे भी सुबह से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में सर में दर्द कर रखा है। कल रात वैसे और कल रात डोलमा आंटी के मोमोज खा लिए थे मैंने, पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, खिचड़ी बना दो आज।
Wait, Abdullah, can you please do the honors by turning off your mic? Can you please leave your private issues for your household?
I'm very sorry, sir. I didn't realize my mic was on, sir. I'm really sorry for this trouble, sir. I didn't mean this to happen. I'm very sorry,
get well
sir.
soon.
I'm really sorry, sir.
खाने के लिए बुला लो.
Eat healthy food, Abdullah.
Yeah, so I was just saying. Can anyone repeat the question what I just said? Abhishek, can you repeat?
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat the question?
First of all, just stop eating in my class, Abhishek. It's enough. Still eating?
Okay, sir.
I can't just tolerate this behavior. Okay, so anyone else? Hey, Arav, can you repeat the question? Why are you sleeping in my class? Get up, get up.
Yes, you're talking.
What? Repeat the question. What did I just say? Are you even listening?
Oh, okay. Yes, I know. Sir, we were discussing. Yes, sir. We were discussing the thermodynamics of superfluid and why it should be illegal. Yes.
Nonsense. This is a business class going on. When did I use these
I was
terms?
sleeping in the last class also.
Oh, really?
He's always sleeping. Sir, I can answer your question.
Yes, yes. Go ahead, Arun.
Sir, we were discussing the factors of production in a business. Sir, I can explain them.
No. It's okay. Okay. I know you are the most studious student. Very good, Arun. Keep it up. Just Arav, just tell me how this thermodynamics come into business.
Yeah, okay. Sir, so business is very dynamic, and by thermo we mean heat. In business, things heat up. So when things heat up and they become dynamic, it becomes thermodynamic.
Just don't talk nonsense, okay? I'll have to send a behavior note for you.
Yashovardhan. Hello, Yashovardhan. Please turn on your camera. I cannot see you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sorry, sir, but my camera is not working. It is always showing a black screen. Let me consult with my big brother. He's a
No.
good guy
Beta,
in all
you
this.
always give the same excuse. I know it is. I think it is repaired now. You gave the same excuse in the last class also.
No,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
You're-
sir. But sir, what should I do, sir? It is still raining outside my house. So, sir, my
Yashovardhan, what
Wi-Fi
are
is
you
not
saying?
working.
It is hot and sunny today. It's not raining. Turn on your camera.
Sir, he is
Sir,
from
due
hilly
to-
area, sir.
Sir, due to lockdown 2020, my father has been not earning so much. So it is very difficult for me to get a new laptop in this time. So, sir, I don't have a camera in that. So, sir, please understand. You are also
Beta. This is not a valid excuse. You are giving excuses every time in the class. This is not acceptable in the school. You need to turn on your
Sir,
camera, or I'll mark you absent now.
Sir, please understand my situation. I am facing a lot of technical, social, economical, ethical, legal, and emotional, environmental glitches in my connection. So, sir, please spare me for today's session. Sir, I promise you I'll be available with another session with my camera on. And I'll be telling you all the answers in just a go. So, sir, please spare me.
Morning, students. Let us begin with the class. But before we begin with the class, let me take the attendance. Abdullah Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, relax. Arav Jindal.
Present, sir.
Kachra Seth.
Yo, sir, DJ Kachra in the house.
Who is this Thara bhai Joginder? Just leave the class immediately. Next we have Vanshaj Gaur.
श्रीमान, हम इस कक्षा में उपस्थित
यशोवर्धन अग्रवाल.
सर आप तो समय ऐसे काटते हो जैसे आपके हाथों के ही अंदर हो। सर आप तो समय ऐसे काटते हो जैसे आपके अंदर हाथों में ही हो आ रही। ना जाने रोज सुबह हर रोज आप क्यों लेते हैं आप हमारी प्रणाम।
वाह 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 वाह
इतने
वाह वाह।
शब्द का प्रयोग किया है आपने, हमें तो सुन के आनंद आ गया।
धन्यवाद वंशज जी, आपकी ही प्रेरणा है।
To his class. Thanks for the attendance.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So today,
Sir, we can't hear you. Sir, you're on mute.
hello.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Oh, sorry. Give me 1 minute. I'll come from my laptop.
Okay, okay, sir.
आ जाओ पबजी आ जाओ।
और पबजी आ जाओ, जल्दी जल्दी पबजी आ जाओ।
ओ जियो धन्यनादन, जियो धन्यनादन, ओ जियो 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 धन्यनादन। भाई साहब मैंने देखिए विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, धोनी सब इस गाने पे डांस करते हैं। मैं भी अब से इसी गाने पे डांस करूंगा, ठीक है ना?
Hello, students. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yes. Okay. So as I was saying, we are going to be talking about topic in study.
हेलो
Is
हेलो
Sir, we can't hear you, sir. Your voice is cracking again.
I'm not very good with this technology and all. I'm still learning. Can you guys please help me?
हेलो सर, सर आई कैन गिव यू अ बेटर एडवाइस सर। सर
Yeah, sure.
you get 30 Mbps with 399, 100 Mbps with 699, 150 Mbps with 999, and 300 Mbps for 1499. Plus Netflix, plus Prime Video, plus Disney Plus Hotstar, plus Sony Ray, plus Z5, and other OTT subscriptions. Thank you.
Yashwardhan, what are you talking about?
Sir, I was just giving a good advice by Mr. Ambani. He told he sorry. Sir.
Yes, somebody please help me with this technology. I'm not...
Yes, sir. I think you can press Alt F4. Alt F4. Press Alt F4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
He's right.
Okay,
Yes,
yes.
sir,
now-
please, sir.
Sir, then sir press enter. Press enter.
Okay.
Enter दबा दो sir. दबा दिया?
Okay, thank you.
नहीं दबाना।
नहीं दबाना था।